Are you having trouble on the National Express application where the application is constantly crashing or not loading properly? First, if you are facing those kinds of problems, what you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network. By doing so, you shouldn't face any internet issues. However, if you're still having problems while logging in, you want to simply go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General. Click on iPhone storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the National Express application. Tap on Show All and tap on National Express application, also called Coach. Tap on Offload app and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application while keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem. However, if this doesn't solve your problem, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.